everyone! Welcome back! My name is Heather and I work for the Okanagan Regional Library, or the ORL, and these are library butterflies. Right now they're still caterpillars, but they sure are growing. Stay tuned for some fun facts and some neat little animations I threw in there. And yes, I measured, they're about 20% larger already. It's amazing. Oh and yes, he does a great impression of a macaroni noodle. There it is! Caterpillar fact. Fast fact. There are 10 distinct parts out of a caterpillar. Head, thorax, abdomen, segment, horn, prolegs, spiracles, true legs, mandibles, and anal prolegs. So how many caterpillars? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, another fast fact about caterpillars. The front parts of a caterpillar are head, mandible, true legs, and thorax. The head is on the front of the body, topped with 6 eyes. The mandible is the jaw used for eating. True legs are the legs that have tiny claws. The thorax is the segment of the body. To me, it almost looks like when they're moving, like they're wiggling to a song. So I like to put up some music notes and just have some fun with it. Caterpillar fact. Not so fast fact this time. The mid and end parts of the caterpillars are abdomen, spiracles, segment, proleg, horn, and anal prolegs. The abdomen is the third section of the body. Spiracles are along the side of the body and they help with respiration. Segments are the sections of the body. Caterpillars have 3 thoracic segments and 10 abdominal segments. Both types of prolegs are false legs that help with grip and movement of the long body. The horn is not on every caterpillar. These ones do not have them, but some have a spike as a defense mechanism on their back end. Alright, there's a dance party scene coming up. Get ready for it. In 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Caterpillar dance party! Alright everyone, well that's today's little video about our library caterpillars. I'd love to hear any comments or questions you have about them, and we'll see you again tomorrow at 11 a.m.